are you taking?
Yeah. I forgot what I said. I forgot I was, and then I said that.
No.
Now she's playing.
Okay.
He
looks like he's...
That's broken playing. It's kind of interesting.
It is kind of fun.
It is. Well.
No. Nay. No. Well, that's broken.
Mommy!
When you got all your equipment, you kind of lose control.
I will kill you for that. That's cute.
Playing? Huh? He's goobering on you.
She's half playing and half being a little shit.
Yep.
But it works. He likes it.
He doesn't seem to mind.
Good
No.
boy.
He backs off.
He does.
He backed up.
That's why I like what Broken does. Because she'll half play and then act like that.
She's telling him to settle down.
She is.
He's kind of listening for half a second.
He is.